All right, so let's check out how this goes together. So you've got your case. This slides in there like that. And then you want to put this on first and get it on there before you tighten this down. And you slip that on there, and then you just spin it righty-tighty. And that tightens it down. All right, so anyway, this is the adapter that goes in here. Might have to get a pair of pliers to get it out, but it slides in like that. Then it slips on here like that. That's basically it. That's how you do it. And you got to kind of push it on. And then this has its adapter on the back, and this one goes here like this. And that's it. Bam, ready to go. Take it apart. This you could actually just leave in there, but it won't come out. But you could just leave it in for the next time. All right, that's that.